Welcome to the fascinating world of pharmaceutical manufacturing. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the processes, technologies, and people behind the medicines that improve and save lives every day. From the initial research and development to the final packaging and distribution, pharmaceutical manufacturing is a complex and highly regulated industry. Let's begin by understanding what pharmaceutical manufacturing really means and why it's so crucial in modern healthcare. As we move forward, you'll discover the intricate steps involved in turning raw materials into life-saving drugs. Pharmaceutical manufacturing refers to the industrial-scale synthesis of pharmaceutical drugs. It involves a series of processes that transform raw chemical ingredients into finished medications. This field is not only about making pills or capsules, it also includes the production of liquids, creams, and injectable drugs. The goal is to ensure that every product is safe, effective, and consistent in quality. As we delve deeper, you'll see how strict regulations and advanced technologies shape every step of the manufacturing process. The journey of a new medicine begins in research and development. Often called R&D, scientists and researchers work tirelessly to discover new compounds that could become future drugs. This stage involves extensive laboratory testing, computer modeling, and early-stage experiments. Only a small fraction of compounds make it past this phase, but those that do move on to further testing and development. R&D is the foundation of pharmaceutical manufacturing, setting the stage for everything that follows. After promising compounds are identified, they undergo rigorous clinical trials. These trials are conducted in phases, starting with small groups of healthy volunteers and expanding to larger patient populations. The goal is to ensure the drug is safe and effective for human use. Clinical trials are essential for gathering data on dosage, side effects, and overall efficacy. Only after successful trials can a drug move forward to large-scale manufacturing. Before a drug can be manufactured and sold, it must receive approval from regulatory agencies such as the FDA or EMA. These agencies review all data from clinical trials and manufacturing processes to ensure the drug meets strict safety and quality standards. Regulatory approval is a critical milestone, marking the transition from development to production. It ensures that only safe and effective medicines reach the public. Once a drug is approved, the manufacturing process begins with sourcing high-quality raw materials. These materials can include active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, excipients, and packaging components. Suppliers are carefully vetted to ensure they meet stringent quality and safety requirements. The reliability of raw materials is crucial, as it directly impacts the quality of the final product. Accurate weighing and measuring of raw materials is a fundamental step in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Precision is key, as even minor deviations can affect the safety and efficacy of the drug. Automated systems and highly trained technicians work together to ensure every batch meets exact specifications. This attention to detail helps maintain consistency across all products. After weighing, the raw materials are mixed and blended to create a uniform formulation. This process can involve dry blending, wet granulation, or other specialized techniques depending on the drug type. The goal is to ensure that the active ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Advanced equipment and strict protocols help achieve the desired consistency and quality. Granulation is a key step for many solid dosage forms such as tablets. It involves forming granules from powders to improve flow and compressibility. There are two main types, wet and dry granulation. This process ensures that the final product is easy to handle and meets quality standards. Granulation also helps prevent segregation of ingredients during tablet compression. Tablet compression is where the blended granules are pressed into solid tablets. High-speed machines compress the granules under controlled pressure, forming tablets of uniform size and weight. This step is crucial for ensuring that each tablet contains the correct dosage of active ingredients. Quality checks are performed throughout the process to maintain consistency. Many tablets undergo coating and polishing to improve their appearance, taste, and stability. Coatings can also control the release of the drug in the body. Specialized machines apply thin layers of coating materials, followed by polishing for a smooth finish. This step not only enhances the product's look but also protects it from moisture and light. For drugs delivered in capsule form, the manufacturing process involves filling empty capsules with the active formulation. Automated machines precisely measure and fill each capsule, ensuring accurate dosages. Capsules are then sealed and inspected for quality. This method is especially useful for drugs that are sensitive to light or moisture. Medications are produced as liquids, such as syrups or injectable solutions. Liquid formulation involves dissolving or suspending active ingredients in a suitable solvent. The process requires careful control of temperature, mixing speed, and pH to ensure stability and effectiveness. Sterility is especially important for injectable drugs, requiring specialized equipment and environment. Sterilization is a critical step for many pharmaceutical products, especially injectables and surgical solutions. This process eliminates all forms of microbial life, ensuring the product is safe for use. Methods include heat, filtration, and chemical sterilization. Strict protocols and monitoring are in place to guarantee sterility and prevent contamination. Aseptic processing is used for products that cannot be sterilized after packaging. This method involves preparing and filling products in a sterile environment to prevent contamination. Highly controlled cleanrooms, specialized equipment, and trained personnel are essential for maintaining aseptic conditions. This process is especially important for injectable drugs and eye drops. Every batch of pharmaceutical products undergoes rigorous quality control testing. This includes chemical analysis, physical testing, and microbiological checks. The goal is to ensure that each product meets strict standards for potency, purity, and safety. Quality control labs use advanced instruments and methods to detect any deviations or contaminants. Once products pass quality control, they move to the packaging stage. Packaging protects medicines from damage, contamination, and tampering. It also provides important information for patients and healthcare providers. Automated packaging lines fill bottles, blister packs, or vials and apply labels and safety seals. Proper packaging ensures the product's integrity throughout its shelf life. Labeling is more than just applying a sticker. It involves printing detailed information such as dosage, expiration date, and batch number. Serialization adds unique codes to each package, allowing for tracking and tracing throughout the supply chain. This helps prevent counterfeiting and ensures patient safety. After packaging, medicines are stored in controlled environments to maintain their quality. Temperature, humidity, and light are carefully monitored to prevent degradation. Warehousing facilities are designed to handle large volumes while ensuring easy access and security. Proper storage is essential for preserving the efficacy of pharmaceutical products. Final step is distributing medicines to pharmacies, hospitals, and clinics. This requires a robust logistics network to ensure timely and safe delivery. Cold chain logistics may be needed for temperature-sensitive products. Tracking systems monitor shipments to prevent loss or theft. Efficient distribution ensures patients receive their medications when they need them. Manufacturing practices, or GMP, are a set of guidelines that ensure pharmaceutical products are consistently produced and controlled. GMP covers all aspects of production, from raw materials to final packaging. Compliance with GMP is mandatory and regularly audited by regulatory agencies. These practices help maintain product quality and protect patient safety. Modern pharmaceutical manufacturing relies heavily on automation. Automated systems handle tasks like mixing, filling, packaging, and quality control. Automation improves efficiency, reduces human error, and enhances product consistency. It also allows for real-time monitoring and data collection, supporting continuous improvement in manufacturing processes. Despite advances in automation, skilled workers remain essential in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Technicians, engineers, and quality control specialists oversee operations, troubleshoot issues, and ensure compliance with regulations. Ongoing training and certification are required to keep up with evolving technologies and standards. Maintaining a controlled environment is vital in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Cleanrooms, air filtration systems, and strict hygiene protocols prevent contamination. Environmental monitoring ensures that temperature, humidity, and particle levels remain within safe limits. These controls are especially important for sterile and sensitive products. Pharmaceutical manufacturing generates various types of waste, including chemical residues and packaging materials. Proper waste management is essential to protect the environment and comply with regulations. Waste is carefully segregated, treated, and disposed of according to strict guidelines. Sustainable practices are increasingly being adopted to minimize environmental impact. Continuous improvement is a core principle in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Companies regularly review processes, implement new technologies, and seek feedback to enhance efficiency and quality. Lean manufacturing and Six Sigma methodologies are often used to identify and eliminate inefficiencies. This commitment to improvement helps maintain high standards and adapt to changing industry needs. Effective supply chain management ensures that all materials and products move smoothly from suppliers to end users. This involves coordinating with vendors, managing inventory, and responding to disruptions. Advanced software and tracking systems provide real-time visibility, helping companies anticipate and address challenges quickly. Some pharmaceutical products require strict temperature control during storage and transport. Cold chain logistics use refrigerated trucks, warehouses, and monitoring devices to maintain the required conditions. This is especially important for vaccines and biologics, which can lose effectiveness if exposed to heat. Risk management is integral to pharmaceutical manufacturing. Companies identify potential risks, such as supply shortages or equipment failures, and develop strategies to mitigate them. Regular risk assessments and contingency planning help ensure uninterrupted production and product quality. Accurate documentation is required at every stage of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Records track raw materials, production steps, quality tests, and distribution. This ensures traceability and accountability, making it possible to investigate any issues that arise. Electronic record-keeping systems are increasingly used for efficiency and compliance. Validation and qualification are processes that ensure equipment, systems, and processes consistently produce quality products. Validation confirms that a process works as intended, while qualification verifies that equipment meets required standards. These steps are critical for regulatory compliance and product safety. Cleaning and sanitation are vital to prevent cross-contamination in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Equipment and facilities are cleaned according to strict schedules and procedures. Regular inspections and testing ensure that cleaning is effective and meets regulatory standards. This helps maintain a safe and hygienic production environment. Process Analytical Technology, or PAT, uses real-time monitoring and control to optimize manufacturing processes. Sensors and analytical tools collect data on critical parameters, allowing for immediate adjustments. PAT improves product quality, reduces waste, and supports continuous improvement. Computerized systems are used throughout pharmaceutical manufacturing to control equipment, monitor processes, and manage data. These systems increase efficiency, reduce errors, and support compliance with regulations. Cybersecurity measures are also important to protect sensitive data and ensure system integrity. Before pharmaceutical products can be shipped, each batch must be formally released by quality assurance teams. This involves reviewing all production and testing records to confirm compliance with specifications. Only batches that meet all requirements are approved for distribution, ensuring patient safety and regulatory compliance. Despite rigorous controls, recalls may occasionally be necessary if a product is found to be defective or unsafe. Pharmaceutical companies have detailed recall procedures to quickly remove affected products from the market. Effective communication and traceability are key to minimizing risk and protecting public health. Pharmacovigilance is the ongoing monitoring of drug safety after products reach the market. Companies collect and analyze data on adverse events, side effects, and product complaints. This information is used to update safety guidelines and, if necessary, modify or withdraw products. Pharmacovigilance helps ensure long-term patient safety. Innovation is driving new drug delivery methods such as transdermal patches, inhalers, and implantable devices. These technologies improve patient convenience and treatment effectiveness. Pharmaceutical manufacturers invest in research to develop and refine these advanced delivery systems, staying at the forefront of medical science. Biopharmaceuticals are drugs produced using living cells such as proteins, antibodies, and vaccines. Manufacturing these products requires specialized facilities and expertise. Biopharmaceuticals represent a rapidly growing segment of the industry, offering new treatments for complex diseases. Personalized medicine tailors treatments to individual patients based on genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is adapting to produce smaller, more customized batches. This approach promises better outcomes and fewer side effects, marking a shift toward more patient-centered care. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is a global industry, with companies sourcing materials and producing drugs in multiple countries. Globalization offers access to new markets and resources, but also introduces challenges like regulatory differences and supply chain complexity. Companies must navigate these challenges to ensure consistent quality worldwide. Sustainability is becoming a priority in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Companies are adopting eco-friendly practices such as reducing energy use, recycling materials, and minimizing waste. These initiatives help protect the environment and support long-term business success. The future of pharmaceutical manufacturing will be shaped by advances in automation, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology. These technologies promise greater efficiency, precision, and flexibility. Companies that embrace innovation will be better positioned to meet the evolving needs of patients and healthcare systems. Pharmaceutical manufacturing faces many challenges, including regulatory changes, supply chain disruptions, and the need for continuous innovation. Companies must remain agile and proactive to overcome these obstacles. Collaboration, investment in technology, and a commitment to quality are key to long-term success. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is a vital part of modern healthcare, delivering safe and effective medicines to people around the world. The industry's commitment to quality, innovation, and patient safety drives continuous improvement. As technology evolves and new challenges arise, pharmaceutical manufacturers will continue to play a crucial role in improving global health. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of pharmaceutical manufacturing.